We normally start with ghungroos. This is something that it's worth mentioning because ghungroos it gives that rhythm, you know. So when we do like the sound, if you have the sound of the ghungroos with it, you will feel that rhythm. So, as you start moving your feet, you can see that it's just the sound. It's so balancing. So that is something just to point out. But we all start with our feet in V position, slight V position. Okay? It's just a very slight V. It's a very relaxed posture. There is nothing unnatural or stiff about, the dance. So very relaxed, just like this V position of the feet. Okay? And you just bring your hands out in front of you. Okay? Very relaxed. So I'm just going to point out the mudra. See the mudra that my hand is in. This is the actual term for this is aral mudra, okay? And ARALA, aral. So it is not like this. It is not like this. It's like this, okay? And that's right in front of you, your very chest. And we begin with the footwork, and then we will join the hands, okay? So now focusing on the footwork. We start with the right foot, okay? Making a sound, okay? And then we do the same with the left. Hey, that's right? So there's 4 sounds. We just go right, left, just alternating, okay? Now the same thing we will repeat on the other side. Now we will start on the left side, and same sound we will do, hey and that. So these are the 4, sounds of the footwork. That's it. So again, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'll show you one more time. And what you can do is you can, hold your hand like this, just like this in front of you, like this. And you can do the same thing, okay? So you will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now we will add the hands, okay? So in Kathak, the hands are, very, very natural, okay? So we are going to take all the directions, okay? But first we're going to go to the top, okay? So we're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the other hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me see. Everybody. Now you guys will all do it with the right hand following the right feet, and then the other side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine. Fine. We can move on. So, okay. Now bring the same thing in front of you, like this. Okay? With the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Again, we'll do the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to move on, then I'll see all of you at the same time. Next one is down. Okay? This is actually one of the most important ones in what I have seen in dancers on stage, that this is sometimes where they're lacking, okay, because they are not doing this correctly. So this is coming from the center and going behind you. Okay, so let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just lifting my skirt so you can see my feet. Okay, put them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, time for all of you. Hands in front of your chest, starting with the right, always from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, front. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Good. Okay, let's see Ria. So starting from the right, hands above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, thanks, Ria. So how we can see how Ria is moving her feet, and what did everyone notice? That she's lifting her foot. Okay, did you see that? How she's lifting her foot off the ground. तो वो जो पैर उठाने से ना आपको एक तो साउंड मिलता है, आपको वो साउंड मिलेगा, तो वो भी आप ट्राई करना. ओके, पैर उठा के उसको रखना हर बार, तो आपको भी उस रिदम का समझ आएगा, लाइक ये कहाँ है कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. लाइक ऐसे आपको अपने ओन बॉडी से आपको रिदम के साथ एक उसका एक यूनियन हो जाएगा, लाइक दोनों एक साथ चलेगा. द थिंग ऑल्सो विद रिया इज दैट शी हैड वेरी गुड हैंड, बट ये वाला जो है, द फर्स्ट मूवमेंट इज अबव योर हेड. द फर्स्ट वन इज अबव योर हेड. वी आर गोइंग टू डू द अदर वन नेक्स्ट. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज अबव योर हेड. ओके, ठीक है. वन मोर पर्सन. अनुराधा. ओके, स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. एक तो उनकी कलाई बहुत अच्छे से मूव कर रही है. Did you guys notice that? Yes. So that is a thing, कथक में आप रिलैक्स रहें. You stay relaxed and you take the full movement. पूरा घुमा के वापस लाएं. पूरा उसे complete करें हर movement को. Okay. And the other thing is that you have to follow your hands. Okay. So if I am moving my hand here, I look here. Okay, if I'm moving my hand here, I look here, wherever my hand is going. Okay, that is a rule you must follow. Okay, मैं कभी भी यही सबको बताती हूँ अपने students को, हमेशा जहाँ भी देखेंगे आप, आपको that's where you follow. Okay.